In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from Payoneer to another bank account. We'll walk through the process from login to confirmation, and I'll share quick tips so your transfer goes through smoothly. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Payoneer website, then sign into your account. Make sure you're on a trusted network and that your browser is up to date to avoid any login or security hiccups. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the Pay tab. Click Pay to open the payment tools. From there, choose the option labeled Pay to Recipient's Bank Account. This is the direct bank transfer route and is different from paying to another Payoneer user. Next, enter your payment details. First, choose the balance you want to send from, such as USD, EUR, or GBP. Selecting the correct balance can help you minimize conversion fees, so pick the currency that best matches your recipient's account if possible. Then select your recipient's bank account from your saved list, or add a new one if this is the first time you're paying them. If you need to add a new recipient, carefully enter the bank details, including the account holder's name, account number, bank name, and any required routing, IBAN, or SWIFT information based on the country. Double check spelling and numbers, then save the account for future use to speed things up next time. Now enter the amount you want to send. Payoneer will show an estimate of what the recipient will receive after fees and any currency conversion. If something looks off, adjust the amount or funding currency before moving on. Click Review to see a summary of the transfer. Take a moment to confirm the recipient details, the amount, the fees, and the exchange rate. If there's a memo or reference field, use it to add a clear note for your recipient or for your own records. When everything looks correct, click Confirm to Send. You may be asked to pass a quick security check. Once confirmed, the transfer is submitted. Finally, wait for processing. Delivery times vary based on the recipient's bank, the destination country, and the currencies involved. You can track the status in your Payoneer transactions or activity section, and you'll typically receive an email update when it's completed. Quick recap: log in, go to Pay, choose Pay to recipient's bank account, enter the details, review carefully, and confirm. If this tutorial helped, like the video and subscribe for more Payoneer tips and tutorials.